Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is burnt aubergine chilli. Yes, that's burnt aubergine chilli. You'll see why in a minute. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First thing we do for this recipe is burn the aubergines. To do this, place the aubergines over the direct flame on a hob and turning continually until they're all nice and charred all over. This ultimately gives the aubergines a lovely smoky flavour that comes out in the chilli. If you don't have a gas hob, we imagine you can do the same thing under the grill or on a barbecue, but we've never tried it, so if anybody does out there, let us know how you get on. Anyway, when the aubergine is well charred on all sides, place aside and allow it to cool enough to handle. Then simply peel off all the burnt skin. Then when this is done, simply cut the aubergine into suitably sized chunks. And that's the aubergine prepared, so it's time to cook. To do this, heat the olive oil in a suitably sized pan. When it's hot, add the onions and carrots and mix through and fry for about 5-6 minutes. Adding a good pinch of salt. Then it's time to add and mix through the following ingredients: the dark soy sauce, the chili powder, the dried oregano, the dried cumin, the smoked paprika, the dried coriander, and lastly the ground cinnamon. It's not my fault, I can read them off quicker than she can put them in. When all these ingredients have been added to the pan, mix in and continue to fry off for a minute. Then it's time to add the red lentils, the kidney beans, the tomatoes and the dark chocolate. The dark chocolate sounds crazy, but it really works. Next, mix through the prepared aubergine, followed by the stock. Then cover the pan, bring up to a simmer and simmer for 1 hour. Then remove the lid and continue to cook until the right consistency you want is achieved. And there you have it, burnt aubergine chilli. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.